Hey guys, this is the man here from Man Discovers Tech. So, basically, what I haven't mentioned to anybody so far is for the last 2 to 3 months, I've been doing the Insanity workout. Now, you might remember this workout was once known as the hardest workout ever put on a DVD. Right, I know we're beyond the age of DVDs now, but it is still a very hard workout even today. So today is my last full day of Insanity. It's my last workout, and tomorrow I have to do the fit test. So yeah, just thought I would put this up here, letting you know that an Insanity review is coming soon, and on that video you can find out exactly what I learned from this experience and what I think about it. Take care, guys.